Hello friends, I am Dr. Urja Patel from Chemistry Department, LJ Institute of Applied Science. Today we are going to study Unit 2A Semester 3. In this video we are going to learn on behavior of halogens. In last video we have classified the substituent groups in which we show that halogens are deactivating group but they are orthopara directing. Halogens are mostly chlorobenzene undergo further any electrophilic substitution give the orthopara product. Even we know halogens are deactivating group. Halogens are deactivating group but orthopara directing. Deactivation is a characteristics of electron withdrawing and orthopara position are a characteristics of electron releasing. Halogen withdraws electron through its inductive effect and release the electrons through its resonance effect. Let us compare the structure of the carbocation by attack at the ortho and para position of chlorobenzene. Here you find the two structure which we denoted as a structure number 1 and structure number 2. Here the positive charge is located on the carbon atom to which chlorine is attached to that positive charge containing carbon. So through the inductive effect, chlorine withdraws the electron from the carbon to which it is joined, and thus this structure number 1 and 2 are highly unstable. While in structure number 3 and 4, you find that the chlorine bears the positive charge and it is joined to the ring by a double bond. Through its resonance effect, chlorine releases the electron, and due to releasing property of halogen, this structure number 3 and 4 are comparatively stable than structure number 1 and 2, because here in structure number 3 and 4 every atom except hydrogen has complete the octet of electron. Therefore, through its inductive effect in structure number 1 and 2, halogen tends to withdraw the electron and thus to destabilize the carbocation, and through its resonance effect halogen tend to release electron and thus to stabilize the carbocation. This electron release is effective only for attack at the ortho and para to the halogen. Here you can find that if your compound is aromatic, the halogen behavior become changed due to in presence of resonance effect. If your compound is aliphatic, then halogen behavior is changed due to the absence of resonance effect, and due to inductive effect in aliphatic compound, halogen act as a electron withdrawing group. So due to only the presence of resonance effect, halogen change their behavior from withdrawing to electron releasing, and due to the electron releasing property they are act as a orthopara directing, and due to this reason chlorobenzene upon any electrophilic substitution gives the ortho and para substituted products. Thank you.